This is TWiT.
Google Fit has added curated YouTube playlists for those of you who like to exercise at home. Playlists called things like Work Out With Me, 9-minute fat burning routine. Oh, these aren't music playlists. These are actually exercise.
I'm totally for this, considering the state of what's going on now.
I'm getting so fat, Ant. I got to do some lifting. But the problem I have with this is you don't want to do these this is 76 videos. Don't do a 9-minute fat-burning morning routine and then a senior gold dance fitness party in the chair and then a home fitness workout train right with BBC Sport and then a full-body workout weight loss.
So I'm going to argue with you and say this is actually super fun. So I'm
all for it.
You just do the first one?
It's like a quick, boop, boop, this sucks. You're like, it's over in 8 minutes. And then you get to something.
So you just do one of them, though. You don't do all 76.
No, you don't do all 76, obviously, because
you do as many as you can till you fall over.
No, you just do as many as you're feeling up to for that day. Like I do, I have a Pilates subscription, and there's an option where you could pick arms, core, and legs, and you could do that, or you can do a HIIT plus core.
My Pilates instructor is doing 100 burpee a day challenge with her husband. This I do not recommend.
That's a lot of burpees.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of burpees.
Hats off to you.
She did it.
But I dig this. We've talked about similar instances like this on Hands-On Wellness. Wink, wink. We need some type of option to work out.
You have a Hands-On Wellness thing?
Oh, yeah. It's a great show.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
It speaks to me, and I didn't know this. Is this on TWiT? What?
This is on TWiT. It's a little podcast network you might have heard of called TWiT.
No way.
TWiT.tv/how.
How? It's really good. Oh, you're gonna love this. He's got all kinds of TRX workout, all kinds of workouts, all kinds of things you can do.
I'm so excited. Okay, I'm subscribing right now.
Oh, thank you. But no, I've mentioned a couple of different services out there because we really need to be cognizant of we're sitting at home in these home studios or home workstations, and we're not moving around. We're not getting up like we used to if we're working in the office, going to chit chat. We're not taking our 10-minute, 15-minute smoke breaks or walk breaks or anything. And everybody's gaining that extra 15 pounds for no reason. So take advantage of these little services, whether it's home workout or this thing that Google is offering up, and they're free. Doesn't jump on it.
Yeah, jump
on
it.
Wait, is that Ant doing a push-up?
Oh, you want to see Ant doing a push-up? Stand back.
Oh, no, he's not as smiley as I didn't register it as Ant for a moment.
You've got to be aggro when you're doing the workout, man.
He's looking so intense. I'm like,
by the way, Hands-On Wellness is not just workouts. It's also wellness gear, wellness.
It's all wellness tech.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. So
perfect.
Oh my God.
After my cake, I have to do this now.
Yeah, I'm getting so fat. I gained COVID-19 pounds.
Don't worry, Mr. Laporte. I'm still obese.
That's why because that's just BMI. That's why I'm dressing all in black now, because you can't see.
Look how slim he looks.
Can't see anything. It's slimming. Except then on my head that sticks out of the black. I need more